Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete Facebook account permanently. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. So open your Facebook on your browser or laptop or any web browser you want. Then you have to click this profile at the top right corner. So once you tap your profile at the top right corner, what you're going to do next is you have to click settings and privacy. So you have to look for settings and privacy here. And then after that, what you're going to do is you have to click settings. Now you have to wait as it is processing. And then you have to go to the left side and you will see this account setter or meta account setter. Now you have to click this. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to look for personal details. Okay, tap personal details. And then you will see this personal details. So you have to click this account ownership and control. Now you have two options, but what you're going to do here is you have to click the second one, the activation or deletion. And then confirm your account, tap your Facebook name. And then after that, once you click this, then you have to wait for a couple of seconds and you will see an option here. So as you can see, deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. So deactivate, tap the first one, but if you are decided to delete your account, then you have to click the second one here. Now read the following instruction and information. And once you understood everything, then you have to tap this one circle button and then click continue. Now before you delete, you must know or you must let them know the reason why you want to leave or delete your Facebook account. You can choose from any here. And then as you can see, you have the more information. You just have to read this. And if you want to permanently delete your account, you can deactivate it rather. So they will give you some suggestions. You can download information, transfer information before deleting. So that at least you have the copy of your Facebook. So if you want to save your post on your archive, just tap the Go to Activity log. If you want to download info, tap Download Info. If you want to tap this transfer copy of information, tap this transfer info. And once you're done and decided to really delete, tap continue. Now to make sure that you're the one who's making some changes here or you're the one who wanted to delete your account, then you have to enter your password first. If you forgot your password, then tap forget password. So enter your password and then tap continue. And to confirm that you wanted to delete your Facebook account, all you have to do is to tap confirm to fully delete or permanently delete your Facebook account. And that's how easy it is to delete your Facebook account permanently.